Hey everybody, we're playing with Da Bird, and I thought you guys might want to see how crazy these guys are. Give it back, give it back. I'm trying to be a little bit loud because there is TV on in the background in the other part of the house, so I'm hoping that it's not caught too much. Give it back! Give it back! Good job, Leia! You gonna get it, Padme? They're too good at catching it now. Goodness. Get it, Padme! Get it! Get it, Padme! TV's getting a little bit loud. Oh, well. Get it, babies. You get the burb. These guys are 8 weeks old now. 8 weeks as of yesterday. Luke and Han are both 2 pounds. The girls will be there very shortly. They go back to the shelter to be fixed and adopted out next Tuesday. So we've got them for 1 more week, and then we'll be getting new babies. I'm hoping to pick up new babies next Wednesday, but we'll have to see how much cleaning I can get done. We definitely want this room to be clean, especially since these guys had a little bit of a bug. He had a little tummy bug. Good job, Han. They're all good now, though. They'll be finished their dosing of Metro by the time they need to be fixed, so they're all good. They've been dewormed. They've had their first shots. They just need to be fixed in their second round of shots, and then they'll be microchipped as well. They haven't been microchipped yet. They like to do that when they're a bit bigger. I think they'll go fast because they're so pretty. And so loving and playful. Leia's the most independent, but she's been more dependent lately. She's been more willing to be cuddly. Right now, she's willing to grab the burb. Get it, Luke. The twins. Padme, you don't ever catch it. You try to chase it, but you don't try to catch it. Let's see if we can get you guys to go up the cat tree for it. Sorry for the filming, guys. It's hard to film and play with the burb at the same time. Get it, Padme. Good job. Go get it. You did it before all your siblings. Now you're going to be scared of it? Yeah. Where are the rest of your siblings? There he goes. There's Han. Get it, babies. Good job. Do a close-up. Padme. Hi, cute girl. Oh, hi, Luke. Oh, sorry, Luke. Leia, Leia, Leia. Come get it, Leia, Leia. Good job. I have to lock this in their closet at night so they don't go crazy. You gonna drag it off somewhere, Luke? I'm waiting for one of them to try to carry it away. Oh, there we go. The sound of the AC will drown out the TV. So I didn't really prepare for this stream, so I don't have our list of Patreon supporters like I'm supposed to thank, but I will put that in comments. So thank you to everyone who supports us. I'll be doing paw prints for these guys on either, well, sometime over the weekend, Saturday or maybe on Monday, something like that. They'll definitely get done. We didn't get paw prints of Annie because she actually went back to the shelter rather suddenly because they had a spay opening while she was in heat, and we wanted her to be comfortable. So we don't have Annie's paw prints, but we'll definitely have these 4 to send out to our Patreon supporters that sponsor us at $25 or more. If you are a Patreon supporter that's supposed to get a personalized photo and you have not got one, please remind me. I'm not going to remember. I'm sorry. And then I'm supposed to be thanking everyone verbally, and I'm sorry I'm not prepared to do that, but I will put it in comments. You guys are very, very much thanked. We were able to pay the vet fees for these guys when they got sick so that the shelter didn't have to. And of course, you pay for all their toys and all their food and all their litter. You guys are awesome. Leia, you're being super cute with those big eyes. Alright, well, I'm going to get this uploaded. Zombie streams take a while to upload. Thank you guys for watching. Much love. Squeeze a kitten for me.